Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Ramses Silva. I'm part of the Cybersecurity Internship here at WPM Technologies, and I've had some of the most unusual jobs you'll ever hear of. Okay, so picture this. A woman's parallel parked on a steep hill in San Francisco and her car is rolling. She's panicking. Her car's stuck in neutral and she doesn't know what an e-brake is. So I'm in a corporate office in Miami on the phone, calming her down, talking her through it. She was waiting on hold and stressed out. I calmed her down. Within 30 seconds, assured her she'll be okay, guided her to the e-brake from the system information on her year, make, and model, and dispatched help to her immediately. That was in 2011. I was about 19 at the time, and I worked roadside assistance at Road America, as well as going to college full time. That moment, keeping a system from falling under pressure, that's been my entire career. Now, I kid you not, while working at a mom and pop tax firm, I actually drove live tropical fish up the Florida coast. The service level agreement, or SLA, was between 3 a.m. to 1 p.m. to get them to PetSmarts alive. I also eventually worked a Christmas contract for video game companies, PlayStation and Anki Overdrive. If you look up Anki Overdrive, they're a toy car slot. They were one of the first to integrate AI into their track systems to read the tracks. And eventually I started in customer service and ended up as a director of operations for a lawn equipment company until COVID. Thank you for coming to my talk.